And I'm going to show you how to set a link. So we can borrow the links from right here. So I'm going to make this box, Discipleship Training School, match this page. So just right click on here and do copy link address. And then, let's see, crap. That didn't, press the gear. And then click the paintbrush on the link we're going to change. And under content, link, button, number 1 link URL, right click, paste. And press check. There, and save. Then we want to go to ymUV.org, refresh it. And let's see what happens when we click it. And it works. We need to do that on all of these, everywhere there's a link.